Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Cam Legend, and in this video, I'm going to be speaking about the energies moving forward. Right now, distractions are left, right, and center. It's always been that way. But the difference moving forward is that it's going to be more frequent. And a lot of people's shadows are going to come out to attack them. But certain people may deflect their shadow onto you. And with that being said, spiritual protection should never be understated. Spiritual protection comes with staying out the way. Spiritual protection comes with self-talk, which reassures your mind that everything is going to be all right. Spiritual protection comes with connecting with your ancestors, connecting with source. Spiritual protection comes with mastering your chi, which is in the middle of your stomach. Spiritual protection comes with breathing. Spiritual protection comes with licking your lips or touching your lips, which is linked to your parasympathetic system. Spiritual protection comes with not speaking with anybody who's not in the right alignment with you. Spiritual protection comes with spiritual protection comes with deleting certain individuals out of your life. And that is a vital one, because a lot of people can't sever that tie. And severing that tie, let's just say that severing that tie can actually be more detrimental to the person that you sever the tie from, because we're connected to people just like an umbilical cord. We are subconsciously connected to these people, and we have different bodies. So we have the physical body, we have the etherical body, we have the astral body, we have the spiritual body, mental body. There's different bodies that are connected to us. So when we sever ties, people feel it mentally, spiritually, and physically. And some people have physical effects from these spiritual ties and physical ties being broken. So sometimes the way to sever a tie is just to slowly let things subside and go naturally in the right universal order, okay? But I'm making this video because it's not just about the energies moving forward, it's about just energy in general. This video is about protecting your energy. This video is about focusing on your goals moving forward and understanding that this phenomena of actually reaching your higher self will always be the same story. It will always be the same egregore that holds the collective consciousness that to gain, there has to be a trade-off. What are you willing to let go of? What are you willing to sacrifice? Because there has to be a resistance. And this energy is not anything profound. It's just the way everything works in this reality, which is electromagnetism. And what electromagnetism is positive energy, which is going up, which is you, then negative energy, which is down or sideways, just say that. And what you are mostly subjected to is negative energy, which is pulling down on you, and laterally against you, okay? So in order to pull up, just imagine this. As you're pulling up, there's an orb of energy that is making a sphere, going downwards and sideways. The more you pull on it, it's now making a circle, like a torus field, okay? So this resistance that you have, in order to be positive, in order to be positive, it requires a lot of energy. A lot of energy. It's a physical energy that will be, it's physical energy that will be required to make this happen. And it's a concentrated energy of focusing on your goals, on your manifestations, and realizing that these distractions are held in the energies that are going to hit you sideways and below. Okay? So I will be breaking this down in depth in a infographic video, which I like to do. But I'm just saying this video just consciously off the mind on how to really prosper moving forward and the energies that are going to be coming against you regardless of whatever time period we're in, okay? But just realize now that we're in a special time in life, in humanity, and there's a lot of people that are going through it. And like I said, a lot of people deflect energy. It's way easier to throw your shadow at someone else instead of internalizing it. Mainly because most people have not been taught how to deal with their shadow. Most people don't deal with it because it's never been taught to us. And unfortunately, this reality from the first 14 years of our lives, we go through certain situations to get us ready for life. And we already know this reality is upside down. So unfortunately, people go through certain things that happen in their childhood and adolescence, but they never know how to deal with it. And most people throw negativity around to the point it becomes toxic. But remember this, never let somebody throw their toxicity onto you. You either punch back or you rise above. And it's better to rise above because when you rise above, the energy that they throw out is like a boomerang and it then reflects back onto themselves. And this reflection comes with the moon, which we call, which is in alchemy known as silver. And silver reflects. How we make mirrors are based upon silver. So let it reflect back onto themselves and rise above the hate. It's better that way. There's less karma attached to rising above, because if you go back to back, and sometimes you do need to punch back, and I do punch back in the physical realm, spiritual realm, mental realm, I do punch back. I punch back hard, harder than they ever come to me. But there's a better way to move, because a war is war at the end of the day. And the way to do that is just rising above, because again, there's no karma. I don't have to get angry, because anger comes with aggression. Anger comes with me physically going out my way to make things happen. But then this can take me out of alignment of my higher self and things that I need to do moving forward. So this is it really. Short one. I will be breaking this down analytically at another time. But this is just for you to consciously remember this. You know, consciously remember to just stay focused on yourself and mentally think about things before you do it. Not every time I'm going to have an infographic out there. Just mentally picture these situations playing out so that when it does happen, you consciously know what to do. Okay? Peace. It's your boy, Cam Legend.